Hello dear students. Today we will see different type of data users. Those users can interact with the database system. Goal of database system is to retrieve the required information and store that information in the database. So people who work on database are database users or database administrator. Based on the use or based on the interactivity of the database, various levels of users are working on the database. In previous lecture we have seen that there are three different levels of abstractions, and on that different levels of abstraction different levels or different users are working. Now we will see what different users are working on the database. There are three different users who are working on the database or who interact with the database. First is naive user, second is application programmer, and third is sophisticated user. Naive users, the dictionary meaning of naive is simple. That means this type of user is simple user. This user is also called as unsophisticated user, and these users interact with the application program by invoking. These users interact with the database by invoking one of the application program. For example, a bank teller invokes the application program to transfer money from one account to another account. Second example, if you want to find the account balance on online banking, then we can access a form, we can enter the account number, and then web servers retrieves the balance and send back to the user. So these type of user interact with the database by invoking the application program. Second type of user is application programmer. The name itself suggests that application programmer is nothing but the user who interact by writing the application program. So computer professional who write the application program are called as application programmers. Various rapid application development tools helps application programmer to construct the forms and reports with minimum efforts. Third is sophisticated user. Sophisticated user is one of the special type of user who interact without writing the programs. So this sophisticated user interact by writing the query language. This user submit a query to query processor, and query processor breaks down the DML statement into instruction that storage manager understand. These are basic type of users who interact with the database. Along with these three users, there is specialized user, and this specialized user is specially interact with the system by writing some special programs. Like if you want to handle the program or if you want to handle the query of graphical data or some multimedia data, then these type of users interact or write some specialized application program and interact with the database. So naive user, application programmer, and sophisticated user, these are the three types of user, but one more is there, that is specialized user. So that specialized user interact by writing some specialized query, or it can handle, or those users can handle the multimedia data or some special database system. So that's all about database users. Thank you for listening.